Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the Haldex oil filter on the Haldex Generation 2. This Haldex is used in many four-wheel drive cars like Volvo, Volkswagen, Seat, Skoda. This Haldex Generation 2 is used in vehicles between years 2003 and 2008. This is the Haldex right there. This Haldex has a filter which needs to be replaced as well. First I'll show you the filler plug. That's the filler plug right there. The drain plug is here on this side. It's located right there. And then the Haldex filter is on the other side. It's located right there. I'll try and show you a closer view of the filter. That's it right there. That's a cap that we need to remove, and the filter is just behind it. First we start by opening the filler plug so that we know that after we drain the filler plug we'll be able to fill the fluid back in. To remove the filler plug we need Allen key size 5. We can see that the filler plug is out. Now we're going to put it back in, and next we're going to open the drain plug and drain the oil. To remove the drain plug I'm going to use Allen key size 8. Now I'm going to remove the drain plug and drain all the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. While waiting for all the oil to drain, I'm going to open the filter and replace the filter. Like I showed earlier, that's the filter located right there. To remove the filter cover, I'm going to be using a size 24 socket along with long extension. I'm going to turn the filter cap anti-clockwise and it will get loose. Now I'm going to remove the rest of the way the cap by hand. And that's the filter cap out. Now next I'm going to remove the filter. To remove the filter, we just need to pull it out. If it doesn't want to come out, you might want to get some pick and just pull it out a little bit, but it usually comes out very easily. And that's the filter out, and you can see there is more oil coming out from there. That's the filter. you can see there is a spring on it. The spring should go in towards the inside of the Haldex, and that's the outside of the filter. It goes in like that. Remember, the spring goes towards the inside of the Haldex. And now I'll show you how it lies on the fuel filter cap. It stays like that. Now I'm going to replace the filter with a new one. This is the new fuel filter. This is the part number for it. And as the filter, you can see the spring is on that side. There is a cap on this on the filter, which there was on the last filter as well. But on the last filter, the cap was staying on. First, we're going to lubricate this O-ring, and now we're going to put the cap on. And there is also an O-ring on this filter. There was O-ring on the old filter, but it looks like we haven't removed it from its place, from where the housing is. Just make sure you lubricate all the O-rings before putting the filter back in there. Now I'll show you where the old O-ring is. That's it right there. That's the old O-ring. The new O-ring is on the filter already. So now I'm going to put the filter in there, push it in all the way, and then put the filter cap back on and tighten it. There is also in the packet a new filter cap, and there is an O-ring on it as well. You lubricate that as well before you put it onto the Haldex. And once I put the cap back on, I'm going to tighten it. That's the filter replaced. Now I'm going to put on the drain plug, as all the oil has drained. I'm going to put on the drain plug and tighten it. Before I start filling the Haldex, first I'll show you in the service manual the oil grade and the filling capacity for this Haldex. Next I'm going to remove the filler plug and fill the specified amount of oil. This is the oil that I'm going to be using. It's a Volkswagen OM oil. And this is my pump that I'm going to fill all the oil in. So I'm going to put that end of the hose inside the filler plug, inside the filler hole of the Haldex. And I'm going to put my pump into the bottle, and I'll start pumping oil until oil starts to flow back from the Haldex. So now I'll start pumping oil in until it starts to flow back from the Haldex. We continue to fill the Haldex with oil until we see that there's some oil coming out. And now once there's some oil coming out, we're going to remove these holes and see how much oil is coming out. We can see there is a big flow coming out of the Haldex, so we're going to wait for a little bit for the flow to get less. And once the flow gets a little bit less, then we can put on the filler plug. I think that flow is okay now. Now we can put on the filler plug and tighten it. Once we tighten the filler plug, then we're done with replacing the Haldex oil and filter on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.